y'all, today I have a unboxing I've been waiting to do. Well, I should say the unboxing I've had just for a couple of weeks, but this item I have been waiting for almost 20 years. So this is so exciting for me. I've wanted an item from this collection for almost 20 years and it's killing me. So it is a fashion file unboxing. I am excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Please stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrances, your skincare, your cup of coffee that I spend too much money on, handbags, jewelry, whatever makes you happy. Please treat yourself because you deserve it. It can be anything from any luxury or contemporary or whatever you find pleasurable. Treat yourself because you deserve it. Okay, so this item, I feel almost a little bit lame for being this excited because it's not that I wanted this particular style per se or model, let's just say, of bag for 20 years. It's the print. I have, this is one of the things along with the Birkin where I've spent so much money on versions or not copies, but, you know, lesser iterations that had I just held out or just saved money or, you know, I could have just bought the real thing. But I was always of the mindset years ago, especially, you know, 20 years ago, that, you know, oh, this is good enough. So in this particular case, to give you a hint, there was a Dooney and Burke line called the It Collection that basically was a full-on copy of this Louis Vuitton collection that out there. And I have several items. I think I only have left, I kept one purse and one little wallet that sort of matches it, and I have it behind my door here. I'd pull it out, but maybe I'll show it to you at the end of the video, or I'll insert a picture or something like that of what it is. But that's the one thing that's left. But at that time I probably had like 5 or 6 of those bags plus all the accessories and everything, and over time I just was like, oh, I outgrew that, I don't care. But this was always true to my heart and what I wanted. This was what I really truly wanted. So I think that's why I never really cared about those items. I just was like, it's never going to be this, so who cares? Same thing with the Birkin. I want a Birkin, and I spent money on the Michael Kors Hamilton. I had literally 10 different colors, and in those colors I also had the different hardware. So had I just bought one of those to carry in the time and then saved all of my money, because those were like $300-400 a pop depending on the leather that you bought and the version that you bought, had I just saved all that money, I could have bought a Birkin, you know, 10 years ago, 12 years ago, when they were relatively reasonable in price. But now they're, you know, obscenely expensive. So I laugh now when I think about all the money I wasted on, you know, versions of things. So I have wanted a version of this for so long, and it's just, the time was right. The market is tanking on the preloved market, so things are becoming incredibly reasonable, incredibly easy to find. Things that before had skyrocketed, especially for limited edition pieces or collections that are no longer made, the vintage pieces like this, that when I saw it, it was under $1,000. I had a coupon code for it. It was just like, okay, even if it's not the Speedy, it is in a style that I like. I didn't even say love. It's a style I love, and the color that I wanted. So that was the biggest thing. I definitely wanted this color, and the maquette was still in pretty good condition. I shouldn't say great condition, but very decent condition considering. And it was just, you know, the right place, right time. Everything was lining up, and maybe things will get better, and it might have been cheaper in a few more weeks, who knows, you know, maybe the market's going that way. But regardless, I didn't want to regret it anymore. I didn't want to sit there and think about what it coulda, shoulda, all this time. So without further ado, my Fashionophile piece. This is, and I can't believe that the maquette is still pretty decent. This is just so exciting. The Claudia in the multicolor, the black multicolor. And I'm just so excited about it. It's just, wow. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. There's some spots, there's some wear, but for how old it is, I mean, I'm just, I almost feel like there's like the angel lights have come in to talk to her. I love the drop, although I'll carry it, you know, in the crook of my arm. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. There's just there's nothing I can say about it. Oh my god. I mean, I literally just opened the box. So it's stuffed with a bunch of paper, but the inside, it just looks great. I keep talking about those Eppies that I've had recently, the ancient cell phone pocket with the tiny cell phones we used to have in there. Oh my god. I love it. No feet. That's okay. You know, that's just kind of what it is. But, you know, the canvas is in great condition. The colors are bright. I'm just... Oh my god. I just... I can't. So, as they say, the spin that you want. So there's these, the belt buckles here. There's only this is the front, so this are the latches right there. In the back, they're just kind of plain back there. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And it's not that I don't like the white. The black was just always the one that I liked. And I might still pick up something in white, but the black has always just called my name. I just love it. So I'm so excited. I just can't. I can't. So I'm gonna look and see maybe some apple guard on here, because I am shocked that this is in the condition that it's in. Maybe I'll get a little bit closer. So there's some water spots right here, and you can barely see them right here, but I don't want that to happen any further on it. So I'm definitely not going to ever wear this out in the rain, but we definitely will be babying Claudia, and I think we'll be calling her Claudia. So Claudia won't be going out in the rain ever. She's just too precious, and you know, she's our vintage gal, so we have to take care of her. Oh, just beautiful. Just love all the colors. Kind of matches my shirt a little bit. So I'm just welcome to the family. can't wait to take you out and have some fun. Just so happy. And like I said, under $1,000. I can't wait. I can't wait. I thought I would have to do the Japanese market. It seemed to be where everyone had been getting their Murakamis lately. But the Keta on most of those is pretty shot. So it's a lot of rework that has to get done. But this is just a dream come true. So thank you for sharing this experience with me. I'm really excited to have finally, after all these years, this in my collection. Take care, y'all. I promised I'd showed the Dooney. So this was my Dooney that I got for wanting the Speedy. It's definitely, as Caleb says, has fog because I never took care of it. I let the rain beat up the Keta. I let it sit out, but still love her. It's still cute. Has the blue lining, has the blue glazing, the rainbow zipper. There was some really cute things about this collection. Same thing with the little card case holder. Really, mine's yellowed. It still has a little heart. But anyway, yeah. So this was what I used to spend my money on to make up for not having Louis Vuitton. And you know, if you're just patient, you just have the real, you know, the thing that you want. But it's okay. Still have a piece of history. They're still cute.